So next Thursday, we are so excited to be presenting to you our brand new course. Now, Kelly's been in the industry for 25 years. I've been in the industry for 34 years. That's a lot of years combined. And we are putting together our knowledge, our expertise, our experience within group exercise, education and presenting and being women and coaching women for all those years into our ultimate Women's Health and Wellbeing coaching course. We are going through all of the main women's health conditions and life stages and how we can create phenomenal classes, programs, courses, online and face-to-face to serve our women on a much deeper level. During 2022, there are so many opportunities of how we deliver this exciting information. And I can't wait for you to join us. Now, if you would like to join us live, we'd love to see you. But if you can't, of course, you've got the replays. You have access to the notes, to the slides, and all of the teaching resources. So click the link below, check out the whole template and all of the information that we're sharing, and we can't wait to see you next week.